Hi guys, my name is Lara Jane, and today we're gonna discuss about economic institution. So what is an economic institution? The term economic institutions refers to two things. Number one, specific agencies or foundation, both government and private, devoted to collecting or studying economic data, or commission with the job supplying a good service that is important for the economy of the country. Number 2, well-established arrangements and structures are part of the culture or society. Example, competitive markets, banking system, kids allowances, customary tipping, and system of property rights are examples of economic institutions. One of the challenges in any society is how to produce, distribute, and consume goods and services. As we, the members of the society, are tasked with organizing ourselves as we convert raw materials from nature into finished products, and how we transform human capital and talent into services that we provide for comfort and convenience. As individuals interacting in a social community, the process of production and distribution, consumption, is manifested in economic institutions, which refer to the processes as we engage with each other as producers and consumers of goods and services. It is therefore important to understand these economic institutions. From a sociological point of view, there are two ways to look at the value and the purpose of economic institution in a society. You can either look at it from functionalist perspective or from the conflict perspective. The functionalist perspective views economic institutions as vital components of society because they are involved in the production, distribution, and purchasing of goods and services that are essential for survival. They could refer to as systems, agencies, or organizations, both in public and private sector. They are involved in production of food, clothing, and other material items that people need and want. So, in general, it is an economic system that provides the institutional arrangement and according mechanism of the different activities that take place in the economy. The conflict perspective, on the other hand, argues that economic institutions merge in order to benefit the ruling class or groups. A major prominent of this perspective is Karl Marx. This perspective asserts that economic institutions are established by the ruling order in order to benefit their group at expenses of ordinary laborers. Specifically, it identifies the capitalist as the one who perpetuates income inequality and deprives proletarians or working class access to decent quality life. While there's some truth to the Marxist perspective that economic institutions provide more benefits to the powerful, there's also need to recognize the necessity of this same economic institution to provide all needs of the members of society, regardless of their class. The large complex societies that we have today heavily dependent on economic institutions to provide guidance and organizations to all economic activities. The economic institutions that we will mention in this lesson are the non-market institutions such as reciprocity, transfer, and redistribution, the market system and its relations with the state, and institutions attending international trade.